To set photo as always on display on the Realme C71, first of all you will have to go for the settings. From here go for the wallpaper and style and go for the turn screen off. This basically is always on display, and as you are here you'd like to find the personalized category and go all the way to the right, and here you can find text and image. So let's tap on this one and this will open your gallery with all of your photos. You can additionally go filter out with the albums. So simply select any picture that you'd like to set on your always on display. You can probably not now, I believe this is like a viewing screen. Alright, so now we have to press this check mark on the top right corner, and now actually you can adjust this picture. I think that you can change it somehow. Yeah, you can drag around this picture, you can pinch it to make it bigger or smaller, and here you can adjust some more things like rounded corners, image blur, and what we have next, we can also set up the text, but you don't actually have to set up the text. This is optional, and you can change the text color, text size, and these are basically options for the text if you additionally want to adjust the text. But here we only want to set the photo as always on display, so let's set this one, press apply, and let's wait for these changes. Alright, and let's lock the phone and wait for this always on display to appear, and that's basically how it looks like. Here you have this little like window with your picture. So yeah, that's how you can do this.